welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have got some Yayoge Polygel to try. In this kit, you get the clear, you get the slip solution, you get a Sun Mini 2 lamp, you get a base coat, a top coat, a brush, and you get some jewel forms. Now, I have never seen jewel forms like this before. Look at them. They look more like tips, but they're definitely jewel forms because they've got the little tabs on the sides, look. So they're definitely jewel forms, but they look more like tips. I've not seen jewel forms like that before. Today, I'm going to be doing some nails for my right hand, but I was going to do the lazy girl method. So I'll probably just do one nail with these just to try them, and then the rest I shall do the lazy girl method, and we'll give everything a try and see what it's like. So I think I'm just going to jump straight into it because I don't want this to be super duper long. So I'm just going to get set up and then I'll pop back in a minute. So this is the mini lamp. Inside the box you get the user manual. Tells you what's in the box. Product specification: 6 LEDs, and it's a 6-watt lamp. It is a USB connection. So this plugs in here like this. And I like these lamps because you can just hold them. If you don't want to pull the legs out, you can just hold them over to flash cure and things. And you've still got the 6 LEDs because the legs have got the holes in. And it stands like that. And this end, you're going to need a USB adapter plug. Goes in there like that. I'm just going to give my brush a little clean, get rid of the glue. You often put glue in the bristles, just stops the bristles getting jacked up. So that's all clean. Right guys, I'm going to start off with the jewel form nail first, which is my thumb. Now I've just sized these up, and this is the biggest one, and this is a 0. And yeah, they're tiny. These are absolutely tiny. Look at that. I've got quite tiny nails anyway. So we'll see how I get on with it. So this is the Yayoge base coat. I wouldn't say it's not thick, it's not runny, it's about medium really. Doesn't smell too bad, just smells like normal base coat. And you get 10 ml in that bottle. So I'm now going to cure that for 30 seconds. So here we go. Actually feels nice to work with. It's not sticky. It's quite a stiff polygel, but not like stiff as in can't work it. It's just stiffer than what I'm used to using. A lot of the polygels I've tried lately, they've all been quite soft. Remember to always get them sidewalls, guys, because that was an error that I was making a lot when I first started. Not getting right up them sidewalls. So, flip that over, pop it on the thumb, on there like that. I'm gonna clip it on. Do that for 60 seconds. Now once it's out, guys, try and give it a bit of a pinch, just so you get that C curve. So you can only pinch polygel once it's cured in the lamp and it's cooling. Obviously you can't do it before because it's going to squidge everywhere. So yeah, you have to do it when it's cooling. That's about as good as I'm going to get it pinched, I think. Now, to get this off, you just squeeze it, wiggle it, and it will come off just like that. There you go. Now I'm going to give it a little wipe with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. Don't forget to do the underneath as well. Just get rid of that tacky layer. And there you have an extension. All done. So we will come back and file that shortly. Right, so next up is the laser gel method. So you can see there, I'm hoping you can see there, I've etched the inside of the tip, and that just makes it adhere a lot better. Then I'm going to apply some base coat. Give that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply some polygel. So yeah, that is the pinking layer done. This is what I love about Lazy Girl method. It is so quick and easy. And as you can probably see, I am not the best doing things with my non-dominant hand. I'm so shaky. So for me, this is the best way for me to get my right hand done. So there we are, guys. That is them all ready for a design now. I actually really like this Polygel. It's stiffer than what I'm used to using, but I actually liked that it was stiffer, to be honest. I found it stayed where I put it. It didn't all bulge out the sides like the softer Polygel does. You tend to find the softer the Polygel, the more it squidges out the sides, and yeah, it didn't seem to do that as nowhere near as much. So yeah, I'm actually liking the stiffer Polygel, to be honest. I'm not keen on the jewel forms, I'll be honest about them. They're too small. I don't get on with jewel forms anyway. I don't know, I can't seem to get them to look right. So I'll probably go in and fix that one up, to be honest. I'll probably apply some more Polygel over the top of it and get the edges right. But yeah, other than that, really nice kit. The lamp works really well. Cured the Polygel in 60 seconds, the base coat in 30 seconds. Yeah, really nice kit. The brush, actually, I was surprised about. I thought cheap brush is not going to be great, but I got on really well with that brush. Yeah, really well. So I'm going to get set up. I'm going to give these a quick buff, and then in the next video I shall do some design work on them. I've not a clue what I'm going to do on them yet, so that's a little surprise. If anyone's interested in buying this Yayoge Polygel kit, I shall leave the link for it in my description box below, and it's from Amazon. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.